ThriveCart is one of the most popular tools for selling digital products. Their big pitch: pay once, never pay again. Sounds amazing, right? Here's what actually happens though. The base plan is $495 and it's stripped down. So they upsell you to their Pro Plus plan for another $295. Then you find out Pro Plus has a $295 annual fee. So much for never pay again. I've had creators who already paid the $495, the Pro Plus plan, and they still switch to MiloTree. It's the platform my husband and I built to sell digital products without the tech headache. Starts at $25 a month. Now, I am biased, but I'll be fair. If you're running complex funnels with a website and video hosting, ThriveCart might work. But for most creators, it's overkill and way harder than it looks. ThriveCart is a checkout tool. That's it. It's powerful, yes. Complicated? Very. It doesn't host your products. It doesn't build real sales pages. You get a checkout page with text fields and a buy button. Everything else though is on you. So you want to sell a course? Well, you need a separate video host, which is another $10 to $20 a month. Want a sales page? You need your own website. Want a freebie to grow your email list? No freebie feature. You have to hack it with a $0 product. That one-time fee adds up fast. By the time you bolt on what you actually need, you're paying more than platforms that include it all. I watched one of the most popular ThriveCart tutorials on YouTube. 29 minutes and she still didn't finish setting up one product. Okay, that's not simple. That's a part-time job. So here's what's selling right now. Not 47 lesson courses. People want transformation. So a $27 template, a $97 workshop, a $150 coaching call. These are small products that get people actual results. To sell those, you just need 5 things. You need to be able to upload your product. Let's say if it's a digital download, you need a sales page. You need payment. You need automatic delivery and freebies that build your email list. And guess what? MiloTree does all 5 and ThriveCart does about 1. Now MiloTree lets you sell digital products, book coaching calls, grow your email list all in one place with no website needed. Here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. For this example, I'm gonna sell a digital download. I give it a name, price, description. I upload my PDF. One button, MiloTree's AI writes my sales page. Now I tweak it, maybe add some photos. I connect my Stripe account and I am done. 15 minutes, product, sales page, checkout, done. Something ThriveCart can't do natively, I create a freebie by pressing this freebie button to build my email list. Then when someone grabs it, I can offer a tripwire product, a product on the thank you page that they can buy with one click. Free subscriber to paying customer, again, one click. I can add an order bump at checkout. This is a small add-on right before they pay. Or I can add an upsell on the thank you page, which is usually something bigger. And again, they can purchase it with one click. So a $27 customer becomes a $50 customer or a $150 customer automatically, and it's all built in. And coaches create a coaching product, connect Calendly or Acuity right here. They buy, they book, and they are done. You can sell anything digital with MiloTree. So a workshop hosted on Zoom and get paid through MiloTree. A membership, run it in a private Facebook group, get paid through MiloTree. A course, lessons in a Google folder, and deliver the link. MiloTree handles the selling. Where you host the content is up to you, and you can use free tools. So what ThriveCart does that MiloTree doesn't? Complex upsell sequences, A/B tested checkouts, course hosting through their Learn Plus platform, and detailed funnel analytics. Great. Now, if you need that, ThriveCart might make sense. Now, what MiloTree does that ThriveCart doesn't? AI-generated sales pages, built-in freebies with tripwires, product hosting and delivery, Calendly and Acuity built right in. Both our platforms integrate with ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Flowdesk, and other email tools, so there's no difference there. The price? MiloTree is $25 a month for unlimited everything. ThriveCart, $495 upfront, plus $295 for Pro Plus, plus $295 a year. Switch to MiloTree. If ThriveCart is collecting dust because you couldn't figure it out, if you're duct taping 5 tools together, if you want to launch a product this afternoon, if you need scheduling built in, if you want AI to write your sales pages, stay with ThriveCart. If your funnel's already working, you have a tech team, setup costs don't matter to you. But for everyone else, you deserve more than a $495 checkout page with $295 upsells and a $295 annual fee. MiloTree doesn't do everything, but it does what most creators actually need. Sell your stuff, deliver it automatically, build your email list, book your coaching calls. Simple, fast, $25 a month, unlimited everything. And most creators on our $25 plan, they make their money back on their first sale. And if you're not sure what to sell or feeling stuck setting things up, I'll do it with you. Book a Launch With Me session, 1 hour on Zoom, $297. We'll pick your product, build your sales page, connect your payments, and you'll leave with something live and ready to sell. So the link's in the description. Start for free with MiloTree, no credit card, no commitment. And if you want to see how one $27 product can lead to $10,000 a month, watch this video next.